In this video, you'll learn how to update the Pinterest app on your iPhone, and make sure that you always have access to the newest features, so that you can take full advantage of everything Pinterest has to offer. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Apple App Store and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. So now what you want to do next is swipe down just like this, and it will refresh this page and show you all the available updates for your apps. Scroll down and find Pinterest. After that, tap on it. And then simply tap on the update button over here. And it will start downloading the latest update for the Pinterest app. If you are having issues like crashing, glitches, or bugs with your Pinterest app, then you have to completely uninstall the app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, exit the App Store and then open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, tap where it says iPhone Storage. And then, just scroll down and tap on Pinterest. So now what you want to do next is simply tap where it says Offload app. And then tap on Offload app one more time to confirm your action. And it will remove the Pinterest app from your device. And then simply tap where it says Reinstall app to download and install a fresh new version of the app back on your phone. Once that's done, you can use your Pinterest app without even having to log back in because this process does not remove your documents and data. Updating the Pinterest app on your iPhone can be beneficial in a number of ways. Firstly, the newest version of the app will ensure that you have access to all of the latest features and improvements that come with it. This could include new tools or better performance, which can help make your experience more enjoyable. Secondly, updating your app ensures that you are using the most secure version available. Security updates are released often in order to protect users from potential threats and vulnerabilities, so it's important to stay up to date. By updating your app, you can be sure that your personal information is safe and secure. Finally, updating your Pinterest app allows you to take advantage of any bug fixes or performance improvements that have been made since its previous update. This can help make sure that you're getting the best possible experience out of the app without any interruptions or slowdowns. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.